What's up, guys? Gamer Workshop 5150 here with a $700 computer build. Let's just jump right into it. Oops, I stayed out of it. Hold on. To start, we're going to go with our AMD FX 630 6300 Vishera 3.5 gigahertz with a 4.1 gigahertz turbo. 6-core processor. It is a socket AM3, and then that is a 95 watt part. For our graphics card, we are going to go with a EVGA superclocked GTX 660 with 2 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory. That is going to be $230. Our processor is $140. For a motherboard, we're going to go with a ASRock 970 Extreme 3 AM3 Plus 970 chipset motherboard. AM3 socket. It has SATA 6 gigabit per second. SATA, I guess. No, 3. Never mind. SATA 3. It also comes with 8 gigabytes of memory, so you may not need to buy the memory that comes with it, or that I'm recommending. For a case, we're going to go with an NZXT Source 210. It's aluminum plastic, and it looks very clean. I'll say that. Power supply, we're going to go with a Corsair Builder Series CX600. It's a 600 watt power supply, and that is 80 plus bronze certified. So that is going to be powering all of our system. For a SSD or hard drive, going to go with an ADATA Premiere Pro SP900, 120 gigabyte flavor, SATA 3. So we'll plug that into our motherboard in a SATA 3 connector. For the RAM, we're going to go with Team 8 gigabytes. That's 2x4 kit. I don't think I forgot anything. The total for our build is $705, so I went a little bit over, but I think there's $40 worth of mailing rebates. So if you follow the instructions good on those, then you'll be able to get $40 back. So maybe if you have, you can convince your parents to loan you the money and then, buy a better graphics card like 660 Ti. And that would be fast. I'm not sure if it'll be as fast as our 660 superclocked, but we'll see. So that's been the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys liked it, please leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. It's down there now. Leave a comment telling me what kind of build you would like to see next, and I'll see you guys next time.